Hello guys, welcome to my latest out and about adventure, and it's coming from my local forest this week, and it's a three-parter, so please subscribe so don't miss out on parts 2 and 3. I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I did making it.
Morning. Hello. Front display's upside down. I don't think I am. No, hopefully not. If not, I'll just have to invert the video when I edit it. Yeah, so I'm on my local woods. Just having a walk through. Nothing in particular in mind. No plans. Just having a nice stroll. I brought a bag with me. I've only been in the walk 10 minutes now, and it's pretty much half full of rubbish. So yes, got to live by the ethos of leave no trace, spoiling it for others. So yeah, the wood I'm in at the moment is, as I say, it's local to me. It's a mixture of coniferous and broadleaf. See there, silver birch. Oh, not so much silver now, that's birch. Pine. And lots of others. I'm still more birch. Some bark's peeling off of that. I've got enough birch bark though. But, should never try and waste an opportunity to take some, but then that's just unnecessary. So yeah, there's a lot of different species here. It's only what, 10-minute drive from my house. Sun's out, it's beautiful. It rained all night last night. Thunderstorms, which was well needed, but the ground is drying up already in this warm sun. Yeah, good night. It's a nice day. Yeah, if I think of anything interesting to say, or I find something unusual apart from rubbish, I'll come back to you. So in the meantime, bye for now. So beautiful it is here, look. Fantastic. Beautiful day. Reedham's over that way. Borough Castle is that way. See, someone's had a fire here. Yeah, didn't do a very good job of hiding it really, or even covering it up. We'll come to the deepest, darkest corner of the woods now. Lots and lots of birch trees. There's a few dead, fallen. But I haven't seen any polypores, no fungi at all. It's quite a marshy, boggy area here. Wouldn't want to be camping here for sure. Obviously due to the mozzies. This is ideal territory for them, if you like. Someone's built a little bridge there. And I think somebody's built a little bridge there so they could get access to the back here easier. Not always shall this parting be, for thought travels slow. I too may claim eternity and follow where you go. and so I do my task and wait the opening of the outer gate. Right, I've said it before and I'll say it again, Mother Nature is incredible. I'm here at the still at the back corner of the wood, just finding so many great things to look at really. We've got the rowan berries, or mountain ash, and this tree here. I think it's a white ash, but as you can see, it's dead fallen. It's been here a long time. Got brambles growing over it. Like I say, I'm pretty sure it's white ash. So if anybody can correct me on that, I'd appreciate it. But when I say it's dead fallen, bit green growth there. And some leaves, look at that. Ancient blackberries. But yeah, I mean that's been here a long time. And it looks like it's been dead a long time. But parts of it isn't. Well, I'm in a part of the wood now that it's pretty much all pine. There's a few birch about, which is likely to be because it's kind of invasive. It's your birch. But it looks like someone's been having some fun out here. Building a little shelter. Looks like some kind of construction to stop people seeing in, I'm guessing. It's not much of a windbreak anyway. Yeah, I don't know how long this has been here. Yeah, this is these are all pine trees that were planted just after the Second World War for construction use. A big chunk of this wood has been taken away, but a lot of it is still here, obviously, as you can see. And yeah, if that would have caught fire, then there wouldn't have been much of this wood left. There's some other type of shelter thing here. Looks like they're getting a little bit better with their construction skills, but they're not very good with their disposing of rubbish skills. Pinot Grigio. Another bottle here. Chardonnay. I don't know. When you cut a pine tree, or you cut a log off a pine tree, a branch, the leaves die pretty quick. So this is quite new. Let's have a look, see if we can find out. More fire there. See if and find out what's caused it. I don't know. It's difficult to say what's caused that. I wouldn't have thought it would have been the wind, because the way it's laying that way, and behind it you have all these trees blocking the wind. Over. But it doesn't look like there's any saw cuts or axe markings. But anyway, that's a recent one. Hasn't been there that long. As I say, all the needles are still green. But yeah, so I'm going to get rid of these 2 bottles. Shame they weren't full, but I don't drink white wine. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of these and carry on with my little stroll around the wood. I'll catch up with you later. It wouldn't take much for this lot to all burn down, all being pine, because the resin content so high. But lucky, I suppose, lucky. You know this is man-made because of the nice straight lines. I've just stopped for a little water break, take on some water, and I'm in this bit of a wood here, and it's just everywhere you look it's like they're trying to set light to the whole forest. There's another one there, another one here, there, there, here. That's probably the worst one here. And there, front there. It's just terrible, isn't it? Terrible. But anyway, I'm going to get my pack back on and head on off back to the van. I'll just show you the spoils for the day. No doubt there'll be some more on the way. Good job aluminium's light, isn't it? It's a truck's wheel nut marker. Add that to my collection of plastics. Can't pass by some blackberries. There's absolutely loads here. Absolutely loads. Now the general rule of thumb is if you can pull it and it comes off very easily, that's good to eat. If it doesn't, leave it alone. Yeah, nice and squishy. Okay, won't be too greedy. Nice little pick me up on the way. It's strange to see the old Union flag flying in the middle of a forest. This has got it up the right way round. Some guy lives here. In my opinion, he's got the best house in the world. With all this on his doorstep. Righto. How great is that? Awesome. A bit like my day. That's been great. It's been awesome. Saw my grandson this morning. Fixed my boys' plumbing catastrophe. And then came out into the woods there. I'll talk more about my stick in a minute. I'll just pick this rubbish up. Well, I've disposed of everybody else's rubbish. Must be some kind of council thing. Yeah. Council must put these bags on the post there for people to use. But they obviously don't. I don't mind. I don't mind picking up other people's crap. I'll get to combine it with the thing I like to do the most, like walking in nature, exploring. But I will not pick up that. Do you know what I mean? So difficult, isn't it? Crazy. Right. I bet you're all wondering why I'm walking about with a stick. I'm not even in the hills. Well, I hope to make a spindle out of it. Nice straight piece there. I can make a spindle with the friction fire. I want to have a go at that. Had a go once years ago. No good. Didn't have any instruction. Probably using the wrong wood. And it was probably wet or too wet to use. Didn't even get it smoking. So I'm going to have another go. I've watched the videos. Paul Kirtley. He's a good one. But yeah, I'm going to have a go. I didn't find a half board I did do a bit of research and looked at the best type of woods for spindles and half boards, but I couldn't find anything suitable for the half board in that wood anyway. Not dead standing, which needs to be well seasoned obviously for a half board. This spindle, or when it will be a spindle, that's going to be pretty good, because that was dead standing and it looks like it's been there for quite a while. I can make an indent in it with my thumb, but it's not too hard. It's not bending my nail, which apparently is what I'm after. So I'm just going to have a look, weigh things up, see what the time is, see if I've got time to go somewhere else to look for this half board. So in case I don't, this is it. If I do, I'll see you a bit later. Well, I was just driving back to the homestead and I saw this fine looking tree. No, not that one. That's the oak tree, one next to it. Either sycamore or maple, or a sycamore maple even. I've had a quick look around it. And it's going to need a bit of processing. There's no dead standing as such. Well, there is. There's no dead fallen. I did try a branch and that's just punk wood. Just fell off in my hands. Honest golf, it fell off in my hands. So I'm just trying to find what I need. The trusty saw. It is a dead limb. So for all you nature lovers out there, and I am one, I'm not harming the tree at all. In fact, the tree is suffering from black spot anyway. So it's slightly diseased, but still in good nick. But this is the limb I'm looking at here. Yeah, there's nothing growing from it. It's dead standing. In fact, cracks at the bottom there. I'm going to chop that off. And that's going to be my half board. 24 degrees at the moment, which is good for second week in September. So I might get a bit of a sweat on doing this. I need to be quick because it's quite a busy road. So I'll come back to you in a bit. In fact, I'll put you over here somewhere. I've got it. I just got to get out of here with it.